Yeah, I'm going faster than the train. So that's another reason.
Yeah, it goes to like here and I can like cinch it with a belt.
Let's do that.
All right.
I get around the city super fast with this thing. I literally been showing up to meetings like 30 minutes early. Speaking of meetings, I got a photo shoot in 15 minutes. So I'm about to go fly there right now, and I'll see you guys soon. Fucking chaotic. So many tourists out right now. Take one step back.
Bodysuit and jeans, bare back and jeans.
Let's do, this one's the dress, you know.
Right. Do you want this? Ooh. I like those a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. Cute, love it. Yeah, this is dope. Right now I'm on my way to Williamsburg. I'm gonna go to Dominoe Park real quick, you know, just to catch the vibe. Cutting through this park right now. It's just a beautiful thing. I would say one of the biggest pros is no gas, none of that. Hit this right here. And here's the bridge right here. All right, let's go. You get to see how this thing does uphill. It's the train right here. Let's see if I beat the train down. It's a little uphill right here. Yeah, I'm going faster than the train. So that's another reason. Got uni wheels. Now I'm ahead of the train. Now downhill. Yeah, I'm in Williamsburg now. You can definitely see more EVs here. The UPS man out here. It's crazy how much these bike lanes have changed, because I'm kind of happy I don't live here no more. It sucks to say. But, yeah, shit has changed. Shit has changed a whole lot. I'm in Domino Park. You can see everything opened up. Nice pan. I haven't been around here in a minute. Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's really bad.
Bad.
Fails.
Damn. Okay, brother, I'll be back, man. Okay, let's see what this one's about. I got a new spot. I definitely got a new spot. This joint's hitting.